The rolling tricep extension is a great exercise because it really shows us how to bring awareness into our core, our back muscles, as well as our triceps. So let's get right into it. You're going to need a dumbbell. You're going to come down to the floor. You're going to hold it down here. Now what you're going to do is just like the dumbbell pull over, you're going to lower your arms, and then you're going to, instead of pulling it straight up, we're going to bring it here. We're going to actually just roll with our elbows so that the dumbbell stays here. And then when you're here, you're going to extend with the triceps. So you're going to come down, roll those elbows down, and then press up.